In this video, we'll show you how to get help from the Google Assistant and introduce you to some of the things the Google Assistant can do for you. From your home screen, say, "Hey Google," out loud. You can also tap the microphone symbol to the right of the search bar or press and hold the power button. Now Google Assistant is ready to help. If you want tomorrow's weather forecast, say, "What's the weather going to be like tomorrow?" To set a reminder to call your mother, say, "Hey Google, remind me to call Mum." The Google Assistant will give you prompts to complete that reminder. If you hear a song that you like and want to find out what it's called, you can ask, "Hey Google, what's this song called?" If the Google Assistant can find that song, it will show it to you. You can also say, "Hey Google, show me the score of the football game." Or if you want to change your phone settings, say, "Hey Google, open settings." In Settings, you can turn on other assistant features like Voice Match, which makes sure that Google Assistant only responds to your voice. Or you can turn on quick phrases to get help from Google Assistant without needing to say, "Hey Google." For example, if you have quick phrases turned on and you get a phone call, you can say, "Answer." Now you're ready to use the Google Assistant. For a more complete list of what the Google Assistant can do, go to the Google Assistant Help Center. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos, or visit the Help Center.